Hi, my name is Emily Morris, and I am a digital learning specialist with CFBISD, here to bring you a Google tip. And our tip this week is using closed captions when presenting a Google slideshow. So let's go ahead and get started. This tip can be super useful when you are presenting to either students in the room or even if you're sharing your screen with students at home remotely. Using closed captions can be very helpful with our ELL students or students that are hard of hearing or any other students that might need some text translation. So it's pretty simple. I am in a Google slide. I have presented this slideshow. And down here at the bottom, you'll notice that you have closed captions as an option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click, and then my closed captions appear. And you can tell that my closed captions are up above. But I can also change the position that they're in at the top. I could decide for my closed captions to be at the bottom, or I can decide that I want my text size to be a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. I would keep in mind that as you select larger text sizes, that means that there is less text that can fit on the screen at one time. So if you do medium, students can kind of read a little bit slower than you're talking. But as you start getting to those larger text sizes, less stays on the screen at a time. The other thing I like about these closed captions is that when I say it doesn't pick up any of those words, just keeps going, which is pretty cool. So that's how to use closed captions with Google Slides. Check out more Google tips